Good morning, you guys. Let's start our day off with some coffee, and we're also going to go to Michael's. I have a coupon for, I think, like $5 off of 15. So we're going to go see what I can find in here. I don't actually show what I bought out of here today in this vlog, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what I got. And if you didn't watch it on Instagram, the next vlog will show all the stuff that I got. And I did find some pretty good things. One of the things that I did end up finding out of here were like items to put in my nieces and my daughter's back to school bags. I made them just a little happy bag for back to school. It had a mirror in it, a notebook, I think some shades and something else. But a few items did come out of Michael's. I'll show that in the next vlog as well. This is like a few days later. I was joining like this art challenge and I'm falling way behind actually. And I was trying to vlog with my phone in one hand and writing the other, so excuse the way this looks. But I wanted to show just like a little piece of the challenge. I most likely or most definitely could have put all this on one page, but I started out and put it on the spread. But I wish that I would have just done this on like one sheet of the paper. So one thing that I've been working on this year is trying to make my sketchbooks look more like sketchbooks and not neat. So I actually was trying to make this look a little messy, if that makes sense. And I feel like it's almost there to be like that tacky creative that I'm going for. I can't explain it, but I feel like in my sketchbooks, I want it to kind of be messy because most of the design work that I do has to be so neat and I have to follow all the rules. So I'm working on having my sketchbooks look completely different than what I do on a daily basis. Alright guys, this is real life. Look how dirty my desk is. It's like things just keep being layered and layered, and it's nasty as dust up here. I've recently been back from vacation and I normally just dump everything out. I found my razors that I couldn't find because they weren't where they were supposed to be. There's a lot of things up here actually that I found that was in an incorrect spot. So I'm just going to try to clean this off real quick and I'll let you know if it actually gets done in a few minutes. My desk, in fact, did not get cleaned off that day like it was supposed to. I kind of like messed around with it, but at the end, I just put everything off the desk, but I never got a chance to actually deep clean it. So this is like a day, like the next day, and my computer has started to like run really hot. I'm not sure why, but like even if I put my hand on the screen, like my iMac is like super hot. So I went into Dropbox and just started deleting like a whole lot of files, and I'm just trying to get everything off of my computer that I don't need. So I'm hoping that works. If you guys have run into that problem, let me know if you found a way to fix it. hope you can hear me over the dryer, but I've already showed this on Instagram, but I did like a small little Target haul. And just to run down what we got some paper towels, some tissue, both from Everspring. We got some Crest toothpaste, some Lysol for on the go, some Cora, hand wipes for the car, good wipes, and some Tide. And also these little books that I found that I'm going to give my mom for my niece and my nephew, because they're both going to kindergarten, and I think that this would be perfect so that they can practice. So that's my little Target haul. Alright, so I don't know honestly how this bathroom got this dirty. The other night I celebrated with my cousin. She turned, I think, 33, and this was like what happened afterwards. That's my daughter's side, but I think I'm just gonna do like a overall cleaning thing. This tray right here is so dirty and nasty. That needs to be wiped off. It's like splatters of stuff, toothpaste, dust. I don't know, my toothbrush needs to be cleaned off. It just needs to be deep cleaned. I have old nails up there that I wanted to save because I only wore them once, and I took like the glue and tape off of it. My makeup bag, it needs to be redone. It just needs to be cleaned all the way around. So I think I'm gonna get into this. Okay, I'm having to like flip-flop between Instagram and my vlog because I'm trying to post on both. So I was just showing them over there that these are the wipes that I use to clean my surfaces with, and it's a clean brand. Like, I love Everspring. I use this brand for like a lot of things. You get detergent, tissue, stuff like that with this brand. But after I clean off the bar, this is what I'm going to be using. My daughter has some stuff. What was that, my phone? My daughter has some stuff too on the bar, so I'm just going to move her stuff over and then like clean my side, and she'll clean hers. But after I move all this stuff, this is what I'm using. Alright, so before I clean like my makeup brushes and organize stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some of this stuff away, because as good as this is by Tarte, it's kind of old and I feel like I shouldn't be using it anymore. So I'm gonna throw this away, and I think it's time to say bye to this as well. I'm told to throw this away by my makeup artist because somebody matched me and they matched me wrong. Alright, so I just talked to my makeup artist, and she gave me the okay to go ahead and to just throw this away. And she told me to keep this one for like a winter makeup. And I have these samples to replace this one because this was never my color that I was supposed to use. So we're going to try these. And so I'm about to go ahead and chunk this. I'm definitely making progress. So I'm cleaning up and the makeup and stuff is out of the way. But I wanted to show you guys Saltaire. I normally use Shea Moisture soap just because I have sensitive skin. That soap works for me. I can see a difference. It gets me clean, so I have no problems with that. But if I run out of it, or I can't find like the specific one that I like, then I'll try to like use something else until I can get my hands on it again. So the last time I tried something different, I did the skin brightening one and then the skin balancing. So this one just brightens your skin, and this one kind of helps even the uneven skin tones. So I don't know, what do you guys think about Saltaire? Alright, so next I have these razors that need to be put up. I had one that I already used. These are disposable. Whenever I go on vacation, I like to use disposable razors, toothbrushes, any type of small thing I can use as skincare. I just don't like to take all my stuff away from home. I feel like it just brings more germs. So yeah, I have these two still, so I'm gonna put these under the cabinet. And then I'm gonna go, next I'm gonna start cleaning this off, because when I unpacked last month, I just threw everything up here. And this is not where anything belongs. I have clay on this from when I did a mask, and it's kind of filthy. So I'm trying to wash that off, organize this a little better with things that I use on a daily basis. And I'm trying to find, I guess I need to buy another tray for like my nighttime skincare. I'm still trying to figure out what to do. My nighttime skincare is normally like this little plastic bag. I'll show you in a minute. And this is like for the morning stuff. So right now it's working for me, and I might have to keep it like that until I can figure out something else. Alright, so I cleaned it out and added some cotton rounds in there. I'm going to be using all of the mini ones until I go back and buy like the regular ones, because I have like a whole tube left of the small ones. So I'm going to make sure I use those. Alright, so I got everything organized and set up. I took the stuff off of the counter that I wasn't going to be using during the daytime. I put everything else in my night bag. So this is just basically specifically for daytime. Besides that, on this serum is for nighttime. But when I use it, like it's glass, so I just feel like it's safer up here. So you put that up there. Everything's up here on the tray besides my toothbrush, and the charger goes under the cabinet too. So I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but it's realistic for me, so I'm gonna keep it like this. And this is the night bed that I was telling you guys about. I took some stuff out of there, and other things will have to go back in here too, but I'm just trying to keep things organized, and I don't want everything overcrowded, so I'm trying to figure out how to organize that as well. Alright, so I finally got this organized. It's hot in here, so I had to get some water, but this is organized. I think it's gonna stay like that for right now. And up here is the soap and the candle, but I'm gonna move this candle because I don't burn candles in the summer because it's so hot here. It's like 100 degrees outside. Alright, so this is what I'm leaving up here. I'm gonna leave the soap because we have to soap for your hands, and I have some hand sanitizer that I'm gonna put up here too, but this is what we'll use instead of the candle since it's so hot. It's a reed diffuser, and it smells so good. This is the pink champagne. It has white grape and mandarin in it, so I'll open that tomorrow. And for right now, this is just how the bar looks, and of course Marla will get to her side tomorrow. But for now, like, I'm done and I'm tired, so this is it. It's the end of the week, and I'm at a coffee shop working on some design work I need to do for a client. So I'm just going to work on this for a little bit. I got a coffee, and Marley is sitting in here with me, and she's getting some work done as well. So we're both in here just getting some work done before we start off the weekend. And then I think later on we're probably going to go to Ulta because they have a deal going on right now, and my daughter has a gift card. So we'll probably just go out just to have a little evening together. Okay, so we just left Ulta because they had like the $10 off coupon if you spent $40. Look at that. How and why would you use somebody's box that looks like that? Let me see the other thing. And then this perfume is being up the box. Like, I don't know, when I buy stuff, like, I just want the stuff to look nice. Even the packaging, I paid for this as well. So I'm just gonna go back over there. This is the only thing that didn't look too bad. And it's still a little crumpled up too. I don't know. Hopefully they don't get an attitude. But like, I want to take pictures and stuff of my products, but like, look at how tacky this is. I'm mad. Alright, so I went inside and they did go ahead and give me some new boxes. And I don't know. Kind of what was weird to me is that, like, I told her, like, hey, you know, these boxes are really messed up and I wanted to take pictures of the products, and I can't take good shots with it looking like this. And she kept asking, like, what are you taking pictures for? Like, she wasn't rude, she was curious, but my thing is, regardless of if I was taking the pictures or not, I don't want a beat up box. And I know that might sound weird. Some people might not care what their stuff looks like when they buy it, but I'm sorry, I like my stuff to look nice and to look pretty, and that's just, I don't know, I've always been like that. Just not work well with me, even if it is just a box. Our shop is having like a, I guess, clean out sale so that we can bring in new products for the upcoming seasons. And so I'm just updating the pricing and then also the quantity, because we have we sold some things at some of the pop-up shops, so our inventory has gone down a lot, but we still need to move this merchandise out. So if you guys want to, make sure to check our Etsy shop if you want to buy something. And we also are doing giveaways this entire month of August, so you might be able to find something good over there. So check us out on Instagram. I'm in the vlog here, but I wanted to end it showing that I'm going to be working in my planner and adding stickers and things for my product I guess I don't say like that we're launching anything now, because we have to get rid of the old things that we have first. But I'm going to go ahead and plan that out. Hopefully everything will be given away and sold by September. So you guys spread the word and help me out. I don't know why it's hard. You would think that it would be easy to give people free things, but some people even don't even want free things, which is so weird, because as a creative and a designer, like when I have free stickers, greeting cards, or even prints available to me, I'm always like signing up or being involved to get the free stuff. And it doesn't make you seem like you're just always trying to get something free. It also helps the designer by spreading the word. If you have, like in my giveaway that we're doing, you just have to follow our page and tag somebody, and hopefully that other person will follow and tag somebody as well. So it helps us grow. It helps you get free things, but it also helps our page. So just consider that the next time something free is presented to you, like it helps all of us. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.